2 plus 5. Now to solve this operation, there are some rules that we need to follow. The rules are outlined below. In mathematics, it's all about rules. To solve a problem, you need to know the steps that you follow in order to get the right answer. Now these rules are as follows. The first one is multiply the sign to produce the operator. As you can see here, the operator is missing. Minus 2 plus 5. This minus is for the number 2. The positive sign here belongs to 5. Where is the operator? That is where sign multiplication comes in. Sign multiplication helps produce the operator, which determines the kind of operation that can be carried out on the two numbers. Secondly, carry out an operation on the numbers based on the operator above. What this means is, if the operator in one above is positive, that means you are going to add the two numbers together. Otherwise, you subtract. Then thirdly, produce your answer. Finally, put the sign of the bigger number to your answer. You don't just write an answer and leave it like that. In addition or subtraction, you go back to the operands, look at the bigger of the two numbers, which is 5. Take the sign of the bigger number, which is a plus in this case, and put it to your answer. Now let's see how this pans out. Minus 2 plus 5. First, multiply the sign to produce the operator. So we have a negative multiplied by a positive. The negative is for 2. The positive belongs to 5. So negative multiplied by positive, you get a negative. This is the operator, minus operator. So that means the operation to be carried on these two numbers is going to be subtraction. Carry out an operation on the numbers based on the operator above. Subtract 2 from 5, we get a 3. So in the third step, the answer is going to be 3. So the final and most important step is the most important, because if you miss this out, you miss out your answer. Getting your answer does not mean that you are through with the calculation, but this final step determines the completeness. Put the sign of the bigger number to your answer. The bigger number in this case is plus, so our answer is going to be plus 3 or 3, just like I have pointed out in the previous video. That's it. Now let's look at another example. Minus 3 minus 7. Multiply the signs to find the operator. So we have minus, negative multiplied by a negative. Both two numbers are negative, their signs are negative, so that means negatives multiplied by negative gives a positive. So we have an addition operator. In step 2, the operation is going to be addition. Add 3 to 7 to get 10. The sign of the bigger number in the last step is negative. 7 is negative. So we pick that minus, put it to our answer, and it gives minus 10. So there you are. You have just finished solving addition and subtraction by following the rules of sign multiplication. In our next video, we are going to look at some exercises which you will attempt, and then after that we move on to multiplication and other operators. Thank you for watching.